Okay, so I don't know how well this is going to work. What I want to try and do is set up a little demonstration that I learned from somebody else on YouTube about spot metering. We using a GoPro Hero 7 or any of the other GoPros as far as I know, at least 5, 6, and 7. I've been trying to shoot in-car footage out of windshields from inside the car and battling a tremendous glare problem or washing out of any of the light coming through the windscreen. Pretty normal from what I understand now after doing some research and learning lots of things. And I have no idea how I found this video. Lots of hours of searching, and I just happened across it, and it was a guy talking about doing track day stuff with his car and how he set his camera up. It was invaluable because it absolutely fixed the problem that I was having. I'm going to see if I can show how to set it up from my Samsung phone through the GoPro. It might show, it might be really hard to see, I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to try and set this up. The really bright spot in the middle of the red wall, that's a perfectly square window with the sun coming through it. And so to turn on spot metering, you're just going to press on the GoPro screen and it's going to put a rectangular box over that spot where the bright is. And now it's going to change the exposure settings to that bright spot. If you like where you have it set up on the screen, you'll hit the check mark and it will remember that during the duration of this power on of the camera, of the GoPro. It probably doesn't show as well on my cell phone, but I can see the difference already in the screen. It darkens up everything, but it makes it so you can see out the window. So it works really well. It is a setting that doesn't stick, so every time you cycle the power on the camera, if you want to utilize that spot metering feature, you have to turn it back on. So it works really well, though. I've been extremely happy with just what I've learned about doing this in the last day or two. So I'm going to add this to a video with some before and after clips out of a windshield so that you can see the difference that it makes. Hopefully this helps somebody. I'm a total noob at messing around with these cameras, so if I can help another noob out, then that's always for the better.